A wise man once asked the village, if there is one thing that you can pass on to your children, what would that be? There were many responses. The farmer said, I would like to give them large parcels of land. The goldsmith said, a comfortable life, and so on. But the poorest man in the village, the Bangi, said, I would like to give the gift of education to my children, so that they don't have to suffer the fate that I have. The wise man was impressed by this deep thought and asked the man how did he plan to do this. The poor man had no answer. His children were in the government school studying very hard, but he had no clue how he could change their lives. This got the wise man thinking. There are crores of such dreamers who live below the poverty line and aspire every day to change the lives of their children. Not having access to the right information, tools and education leaves them behind in the race. The wise man took this as a challenge and spent the next few months identifying how he could bring the change in the lives of the underprivileged. Fast forward a few years and this is the present-day story. Our country has overcome the challenge of primary and secondary education. The current challenge of the 21st century is that a large portion of our population settle for something average as they don't have access to quality education to prepare them for high-flying courses like IIT, BITS, MBBS. If they need to compete for these entrance tests, they need to migrate, borrow huge sums of money and struggle to manage time for the preparations. One easy yet achievable way is to set up coaching centers in all the villages and taluk community halls to help serve the deserving students and impart quality education via technology platforms. This was the goal the wise man set when he invented iGeniusMind. He collaborated with innovators and educationists to design a simple yet thorough product that will help aspirants learn, prepare and practice to score high in the board and competitive exams, thus helping them realize their career and life goals. Know more about this product and see how you can sponsor a village or community to adopt iGeniusMind self-study software as their key to success. Visit www.igeniusmind.in today.